Yo, what's up everyone? It's a little Yaha. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a Gucci Gang Supreme belt. I noticed that when I was shopping for this belt that there wasn't a lot of unboxing video, and when I buy stuff I want to actually look at the product, see how it looks. You want to get a good grip of what you're buying rather than just looking at a picture and deciding just based off of that. So this is a GG Supreme belt. This belt was $460, probably like around $500 with tax. I already opened it. I've had this for a while and I just decided to do this. Inside the bag they'll give you a box. It'll be gift wrap with this, but I couldn't put it back on, so I just, you know, the presentation is amazing. Like, they know how to make this look like Christmas. Like, it's beautiful. I felt light coming out of it, you know. Oh, it's magnetic. You open it from the side. It's woo. It has a little note card. It says Gucci. Oh, I got my receipt. So I paid $440 for it, and after tax was $474. I got proof. Sheesh. I don't want to rip the bag. Alright. The bag inside the box is like, bruh, this is like quality. It's nice. I like how this thing feels. It's like a potato bag, but it's like a nice ass one. It has a little thing to like close it right here. And you can just like bum it with a Gucci bag. Sheesh, like Ed and Eddie. Alright, this is a final reveal because this is the last. It is so brand new that I still haven't even taken this plastic thing off. Like, bruh. Sheesh. So this is the thing I didn't notice when I was looking at it online. It's pink and brown at the same time. It's kind of like, you know, feels like this is how it looks detailed. Make sure you touch this with clean hands because you'll get it dirty hella quick. Like, this sticks all leather, but it looks nice. Like, it looks amazing. So all I had was that in the middle, but I think that looked like numerations. And that looked like a VIN number, like if it was a car. Maybe you guys can fraud me somehow. It has this on the belt buckle. This is probably to hang it. Gucci. Flip it over. This is the front. Bruh, this is hella nice. The inside of this is like pink, brown leather. I'm not gonna get technical with the terms because I don't know. Sheesh. Just look at the description of the product. You know what's crazy? That these designer products, everything in general causes cancer. Like nowadays, if you look at the description, it'll show the California 65 warning. This product shows it too. And even my mic and a bunch of other products that I've noticed that I've been purchasing that like makes me not purchase them anymore because like this, I like, you know, it's Gucci. I had to get it. But they'll always have that 65 California warning or whatever. And it's like, bruh, like I said, Gucci, I had to get it because it's Gucci. But you know, that's why like sometimes I'm like, I lock it up back, you know, in Pandora's box because these products, like, it's cool to like buy them, but like once you realize that they cause cancer, at least for me, I'm like, I don't want to wear that no more. But like, you know, it's clout. Do anything for clout. Basically, watch out what you buy because you want to try lowering. This is a little Yaha news now. No, yeah, but watch out for what you buy because that will seriously higher the chances of you dying early from cancer. You know, you want to die later when you're 80, which is still not good. But this was a Gucci Gang unboxing Supreme blue version leather belt. It was $474 after tax. If you want to purchase this, go to your local Gucci store or purchase it online. You already seen how it looks. Like, you see that? Bruh. You already know what's up. Look, oh, I couldn't show. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, remember, be good people.